Hey friends, this is Daniel Makins, just north of Chicago, wishing you a happy Thanksgiving and wishing I could be there in San Angelo at the chicken farm, sharing the art spirit with you. Sure do miss all the familiar sights and sounds of being there, and I hope you're well. Missing Roger Allen in particular this time of year, wishing I could just go wander over there and sit and have a little talk with him. Play a song that I think speaks to that. Things we used to talk about. Song Ripple, made famous by the Grateful Dead, though there's lots of covers out there by people much more capable than myself. I love this song. I'm not sure what it speaks to, but I think it's something about the art spirit, about that longing for connection, about what Roger and I talked about, that longing to see a little of yourself in the other, in that great way that only the arts allows. That recognition, that coy smile, that twinkle in the eye, that spring in the step that Roger Allen brought to almost every occasion. So here we go. Happy Thanksgiving. If my words did glow with golden sunshine, if my tunes were played on a harp unstrung, my voice come through the music? Could you hold it dear as if it were your own? It's a hand-me-down, and thoughts are broken, and perhaps they're better left unsung. I don't know, don't seem to care, so let there be songs to fill the air. Ripple, still waters, when there is no pebble tossed, there's no wind to blow. Reach out your hands if your cup is empty, if your cup is full, may it be again. Let it be known there is a fountain that was not made by the hands of men. There is a road, no simple highway, between the dawn and the darkest night. And if you go, then no one may follow, because that path was made by your steps alone. So ripple in still waters, when there is no pebble tossed, there's no wind to blow. And you who choose to lead must follow. But if you fall, you will fall alone. But if you stand, then who's to guide you? If I knew the way, I would take you home.
All right, Snowbird, you're on.
I'll bring the babies. They'll stay with the neighbors tonight. And if the band at the bar play waltzes, shuffle, I'm gonna dance with my old heart's delight. I sang in the shower, I pondered on marriage and such. They say this country was hell on horses and women. I guess it ain't changed all that much. We've made a good team, a lady and I, all anything more. If you don't believe, just catch us tonight. We'll be the best dancers out on the floor. with my own heart's delight.
That's a great song.